Brad Pitt's steel house, a standout among designs, is praised for its inventive use of materials and modern aesthetic. It was built with lightweight steel to withstand extreme weather conditions while remaining environmentally friendly. Already feeling impressed? Well, join us on an exclusive tour of Brad Pitt's groundbreaking steel house. Among his many accomplishments, including 7 Academy Award nominations, the title of People's Sexiest Man Alive, and a successful wine label, is his ability to invest in magnificent homes. The American superstar is a renowned architecture enthusiast and art collector. Recently, Pitt debuted as a sculptor at the Finnish Sarah Hilden Art Museum, where the actor established the Make It Right organization in 2007 to construct homes for people whose homes have been destroyed by Hurricane Katrina. His passion for architecture has become apparent. To date, this organization has constructed 150 self-sustaining estates in New Orleans. Brad's most recent addition to his extensive property portfolio is a mid-century 292-foot house in Los Angeles' Los Feliz foothills. Even though the actor only bought the house in 2023, it's already transformed into a cozy nest thanks to Brad's consistent effort, time investment, and meticulous attention to detail. He purchased this lovely L-shaped steel house property from the oil giant Getty for $5.5 million before James Valentine, the lead guitarist of Maroon 5, completely restored the home in 2007 with the help of renowned designer Mark Headway. After purchasing the estate from James Valentine in 2019, the granddaughter of oil tycoon J. Paul Getty profited by $1 million from the deal with Pitt. Since 2019, the estate's price has risen from $4.5 million to $5.5 million. We bet Eileen was delighted to hand over the keys to Brad. Now, Brad's California house, dubbed as the Steel House, is a showstopper. It's made of steel and glass and has a striking modern design that fits right in with the California mood. The massive glass walls let in plenty of natural light and provide spectacular views of the environment, while the steel frame adds an industrial yet clean vibe. The open floor layout and basic color scheme accentuate Brad's passion for minimalist design, making the entire area feel effortless and beautiful. Stepping inside, you'll find the steel house is just as breathtaking. The living areas are wide and light, with contemporary furnishings and a soothing color scheme. Large windows and high ceilings increase the impression of spaciousness, while modern art and decorations provide warmth and individuality. It also has smart home technology that allows you to easily control anything from lights to security. This home is more than simply a place to live. It's the perfect blend of modern design, comfort, and cutting-edge technology that exemplifies Brad's taste for simplicity and innovation. The house has 3 cozy bedrooms and 1.75 bathrooms, making it more compact and intimate than his previous sprawling home in Carennes, France. Brad was reportedly looking for something smaller when selecting his new home, and he was able to downsize. The new home features a living room with a modern fireplace, a kitchen, 3 large bedrooms and a main bathroom, a pale blue walk-in wardrobe, a patio overlooking the pool, a redwood hot tub surrounded by tropical plants, an independent sauna, and a terrace with breathtaking views of the Los Angeles lights. Although the steel house was not designed by a world-renowned architect, it does have a classic mid-century modern soul. The impressive home was designed in 1960 by mid-century architect Neil M. Johnson. Neil M. Johnson gained inspiration from case study houses. Julia Schulman's iconic black and white photographs immortalized the case study houses, which were built between 1945 and 66. These homes aim to solve one crucial problem, which is the post-war housing crisis. They offer quick construction and inexpensive materials while embracing the features of advanced contemporary technology and modernist design. The case study houses are a great example of modern American architecture in history. Their influence on Brad's steel house can be seen in the distinctive rectangular roofline, which was an emblem of that era. Trust me, you wouldn't want to miss that detail. The stunning open-concept living and dining room provide breathtaking views of the tropical area, as well as the twinkling city lights and skyscrapers. Its centerpiece is undoubtedly a white hanging fireplace. The outdoor terrace surrounds the living room, adding to the allure of admiring the views. The terrace features a cozy reading area with eclectic cobalt chairs. Take a look at the room from another perspective. You can see a kitchen nook and a large dining area here, an open web joist ceiling, pale Tezo floors, and a floating set of upper cabinets making the room brighter. These cabinets serve as a visual divider separating the kitchen and dining area. The icy pale blue cabinetry features a sleek, clean profile, allowing natural light to flow freely. Despite the white walls, glossy floor, and cold-colored cabinets, the dining area appears to be extremely cozy. The reason for this is the welcoming outside nature, as well as a motley rug covering the floor, wood, and artwork elements throughout the property, which give the home a mid-century modern feel. When we enter one of the bedrooms, all 3 Steelhouse bedrooms feature flashy cobalt blue carpeting, with white walls and joist ceilings, giving the impression that the home is a holistic organism with certain elements flowing from one room to another, much like natural light. Now, this trick is seen in the custom blue cabinetry repeated in the bathroom to recall the kitchen millwork. It's impossible not to notice the built-in shelving beneath the window sitting in one of the bedrooms. Built-in shelving was often used in case study houses to enhance room space. Pitt's house also has practical walk-in wardrobes with windows that provide ample space for all of Brad's suits and leather jackets. One of the guest bedrooms has been converted into a sitting reading room. Cool cinnamon bookshelves make a nice contrast with cobalt carpeting. Here we see the same style Mly rug in the dining room. One can almost feel chi flowing throughout the space. Such demure expertise is apparent all through the room. Lush palms and vibrant tropical greenery add privacy to the steel house, which does not appear overly high-tech, but rather organically inscribed in the natural landscape open plan. Overall, sleek designs, panoramic windows, steel frames, and simple volumes create a natural haven for the busy 60-year-old Hollywood celebrity. The outside space is a tranquil retreat, beginning with a dazzling pool that gleams in the sun, enticing Brad to take a soothing plunge. A hot tub next to the pool is perfect for relaxing since the bubbling jets relieve stress and create a sense of serenity. An adjacent sauna completes the at-home spa experience, producing perfumed steam to relieve tension and promote maximum relaxation. The outdoor seating area is surrounded by beautiful foliage, contributing to the property's natural attractiveness. Towering trees give shelter, while brilliant flowers provide color, creating a private retreat. The subtle rustle of leaves and chirping birds adds to a serene atmosphere, making it ideal for quiet thought or reading a good book. Even though it's not a big house, Brad's decision to prioritize quality over quantity and adapt a more straightforward, intimate lifestyle is reflected in the steel house. His 6 children live with Angelina Jolie most of the time, so the smaller, cozier house fits with his need for relaxation. Brad can completely unwind and enjoy life's small pleasures at the property, whether he's having a peaceful evening in the sauna or a morning coffee on the veranda. The steel house is a stunning example of mid-century modern design, set like a sculpture against the lush background of the Los Feliz Hills. Its industrial steel structure exudes strength and simplicity, yet the tastefully designed interior balances any starkness with soft upholstery and warm, welcoming accents. Bold architecture and comfortable interiors are harmoniously balanced by the addition of richly textured carpets and colorful decor, which give the minimalist building depth and individuality. During intimate parties, well-positioned fireplaces create a cozy glow and act as focus points, while keeping a stylish edge. Retro-inspired hues like mustard yellow, teal, and burnt orange pay homage to mid-century palettes. The home's design reflects Brad Pitt's passion for architecture and sustainable living. The steel house embodies his appreciation for creativity and ecological design, seamlessly blending modernism with nature. Floor-to-ceiling windows flood the space with natural light, while Tezo flooring and Style Eaves beam ceilings ground the home with warmth and timeless elegance. The interior design elevates the home even further by adding rich, vibrant colors to contrast with the boring steel and glass. This clever use of color adds character and vibrancy while integrating nicely with the property's natural surroundings. Every element has been meticulously examined, from textural interaction to perfectly picked furniture, resulting in a beautiful marvel as well as a comfortable home. It's more than simply a house, it's an experience, an ideal balance of form, function, and elegance. Apart from the steel house, Brad has also been associated with other properties. While Brad shot his World War II drama Allied amid rumors of his impending divorce, he and Jolie reportedly paid $3.9 million for a private villa in Mallorca, Spain. Not much is known about the property except that it measures 9,687 square feet and boasts 8 bedrooms and a swimming pool overlooking the Balearic Sea. Now, local media reported that Pitt and Jolie were often spotted around town together. It's unclear whether Pitt still owns this home. That same year, the Jolie-Pitt family was reportedly renting an 8-bedroom home in Surrey, England, along the River Thames, for $21,000 a month, while Pitt filmed World War Z and Jolie worked on humanitarian projects in the UK. The residence included an indoor pool and gym, which is ideal given the more blustery weather there. The plan was for the clan to live there for 6 months, and the couple split not long after that. Before the split, the couple set their sights on international real estate for some years, first renting and then buying a villa in the French countryside, named Chateau Miraval. The $60 million estate includes both a chateau and a winery, the latter of the pair used to create an eponymous wine brand, best known for its rosé. Pitt and Jolie even tied the knot on the grounds in 2014. Now, after their split and subsequent divorce, however, it was Pitt who primarily maintained involvement with the brand. Till now, it's been reported that the couple are embroiled in a lawsuit over the fact that Jolie sold her stake. In late 2021, the actor began working with French producer Damien Quentin to restore a recording studio on the property. Whether admired from afar or experienced up close, Brad Pitt's Steel House is a stunning tribute to architectural ingenuity and modern living. It's a sanctuary that inspires awe not just for its design, but its ability to integrate seamlessly with its surroundings, offering a space where creativity and tranquility can coexist. And that concludes Brad Pitt's Amazing Homes, a perfect blend of modern architecture and nature. It's a space that's as unique as its owner. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and let us know in the comments what took your breath away.